You think space is silent? Well, you're wrong, and what you're about to hear will change how you see the universe forever. Picture this, the silent black expanse of space that we see in movies and photos. Complete utter silence. That's what we've been told our entire lives. But what if I told you that's the biggest lie we've been sold about the cosmos? The truth is, space is screaming with sound. Not the kind you hear with your ears, but something far more incredible: gravitational waves. Back in 1916, Albert Einstein predicted these ripples in spacetime in his theory of general relativity. He said that when massive objects accelerate or collide, they create waves that travel through the fabric of spacetime itself at the speed of light. But for nearly 100 years, nobody could prove they actually existed. Scientists thought they were too weak, too subtle to ever detect. Fast forward to September 14, 2015, and everything changed. Two massive detectors called LIGO, the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, picked up something extraordinary. What they heard was the sound of two black holes, each about 30 times the mass of our sun, colliding over 1 billion light-years away. This wasn't just a scientific discovery. It was humanity listening to the universe for the very first time in a completely new way. Think about that for a second. We heard the echo of an event that happened when the first complex life was just appearing on Earth. These gravitational waves are like cosmic echoes that carry information about the most violent events in the universe. When massive objects like black holes or neutron stars orbit each other and eventually merge, they create these ripples that travel across space, carrying the story of their violent dance. What makes this so mind-blowing is that gravitational waves give us a completely different way to observe the universe. Before 2015, we could only study space using light telescopes that captured everything from radio waves to gamma rays. But gravitational waves are fundamentally different. They're not electromagnetic radiation. They're actual ripples in the fabric of reality itself. This means we can now hear events that are completely invisible to traditional telescopes. Events like black holes merging in the darkness of space, where no light escapes. Or neutron stars colliding in cosmic crashes that create elements like gold and platinum. The detection of gravitational waves opened up an entirely new field of astronomy. Suddenly, we had cosmic hearing to go with our cosmic vision, and what we're hearing is changing everything we thought we knew. These gravitational wave echoes are telling us that the universe is far more violent and active than we ever imagined. They're revealing that black hole mergers are surprisingly common. They're showing us that the laws of physics work exactly as Einstein predicted, even under the most extreme conditions imaginable. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Scientists are now listening for the faintest echoes from the very beginning of the universe itself. The cosmic microwave background radiation gave us a baby picture of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old. But gravitational waves could potentially take us back even further, to the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang. Imagine being able to hear the birth cries of the universe itself. Future detectors, like the space-based LISA mission planned for the 2030s, will be sensitive enough to detect gravitational waves from the merging of supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. We might even detect waves from cosmic strings or other exotic phenomena that we can't even imagine yet. What's truly incredible is that every time we detect a new gravitational wave signal, it's like opening a time capsule from billions of years ago. We're not just observing space, we're listening to history. The echoes of cosmic collisions that happened when dinosaurs roamed Earth, when our solar system was forming, even when the universe was young. This isn't just science. It's the ultimate cosmic detective story. Each chirp, each ripple, each echo tells us something new about how the universe works. It's showing us that spacetime isn't just a static stage where events happen. It's a dynamic, living fabric that reacts to everything that moves through it. And we now have the technology to feel those vibrations, to hear the music of the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky and think about the silence of space, remember, you're surrounded by a symphony of gravitational waves, a cosmic soundtrack playing on a scale so vast we're only just beginning to tune in. What do you think the next big gravitational wave discovery will reveal about our universe? Drop your theories in the comments,